Hey there, everybody. It's Patriot Gal here at the Forging Freedom podcast channel. Hey, look what I've got here. Apricot juice flavored kombucha. And it's going to be done in about 3 or 4 days. But what I really want to talk to you about today is this. We're here in my office, and this is where I brew the kombucha because these lights right here make it really warm, and it's a great place for the kombucha to grow. So in this jar here, I've just got a SCOBY. It's like an old SCOBY, and you can see, if it'll focus here, see the white stuff? That's the new SCOBY growth that's growing on there. Yeah, all that is a new SCOBY growth, and it's just perfectly fine. That's exactly what it's supposed to look out. This SCOBY is just hanging out here until I get another batch going. This SCOBY was kind of old, so I just poured some juice from some kombucha that I made on there to kind of revitalize it a little bit before I made another batch out of it. But this is what I want to show you. Sometimes things don't go right. That kombucha is bad. You see the mold on there? That's not supposed to be there, and that's really bad. So this kombucha is just going to have to go away. I think what happened, I try to be so careful not to introduce any bacteria, but this is actually a 2-gallon jar, and see this spigot down here? I think what I did was I typically put some boiling water in there and then open that valve and let some boiling water run through the valve before I make the kombucha. And I think what happened was there's some bacteria trapped in that spout that got introduced into this, so we're going to get rid of this one. But I just wanted to show you an example of what a good SCOBY looks like and what a bad SCOBY looks like. So all those molds that you see, those little round green parts, those are the bad parts. Everything else, like you can see right here, this nice white shiny, that's what it's supposed to look like. But this and all these green molds are not supposed to be there. So I just thought it was a good opportunity to show you guys what it looks like when your kombucha goes bad. Anyway, I will get with you guys later. We're going to do a lot of videos this summer. And so make sure that you subscribe to the channel if you like kombucha and you want to learn how to make it for yourself. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel and hit that little bell so that you can be notified every time we upload a video. And you might want to get over there to forgingfreedompodcast.com and listen to our podcast when you get a chance. In fact, we're going to be uploading, just in a little while here, we're going to be uploading I think it's our 3rd series, the Frontier Footprints series. It's Old Pioneer Stories. That's it for today, folks. Remember to go out today and do something to forge your freedom. And if you're tired of the censorship of the videos that you like to see, remember to go down in our comments and leave us a comment and give us a thumbs up and let YouTube know that they're not in charge, you're in charge, because this show is for you guys.